Atiefo ahwefo ene adofo nyina ena nwumre yamamu nyina kwaba edeba Emmanuel Bethel Prayer Ministry TV ewo ye dwumadi a yato din say time with the magistrate ye dwumadi yi e dwumadi bi a yesua emra na mpempi nsama ya yenya ntiase wo mpapa efa no emra Ghana ye mra ho eno ene ye to nsafre won a wo ho nimdie emra ho nimdie na wo ba fidie ma ha na wo be boa yen ma yenya ntiase when it comes to issues concerning the law ena nwumre yi ye wo yentem ha opani kase baako a oye emranim ni ye be kan say oye judge oye magistrate ono na elembele district court, that is district magistrate court ono ena oda ano pania oda ano yensaka no anwumre yi obeboa yen na ya twetwe yen komo fefefe a topic a ye be discuss ya to din say crime and the law part 1 urei ye madam Penny obeboa yen na yesua ade enanwumre yi ene ntime nche medan mani ade ahwe no na onankasa odinedin ade atodwa na yehu ne nipa ban ne obeboa yen anwumre yi ma yesua de efa na emra ho ene nti madam anwumre de ye mo akwaba
yeah ja Mr. Kamasa
ye do asepa nso say ye to nsafra wa pampuputi na waba na obaba boa yen na ye dwumadi yi atumi awie peye na ye bese se obeda ho di kakra e de akire etiefo
Pacho ya frame her worship awo emisa French mena me ye otemua for penny ewo Nkrofo district quarter ehwe elembele ha na mesan so hwe district matters a efi axim so eso medamwase
yo her worship enanyumre de ya do ase papa
yo
so wabekansa abakan ho na ye ba besua ade crime and the law. Her worship me question a edikan akoye mran samidie brofo bedos wo mu kakra ye ba momode an ye futu afra
ampa
de twi no brofo ni nyina ba frafra
ampa
na awieye no the most important ne say entiase be adwuma. The question edikan and it say what are the laws which govern criminal matters in Ghana? What are the laws which govern criminal matters in Ghana? Me try say me can twi ma me can say emra ben ena wo ho a eno efa criminal matters ho e wo ye man Ghana yi mu.
Pacho medawase the general laws which govern criminality in Ghana, we have two of them.
Okay.
One, we have the Criminal Offences Act, 1960 Act 29.
Okay.
The Criminal Offences Act, 1960 Act 29.
Okay.
Then we have the Criminal and Other Offences Procedure Act, also 1960 Act 30.
Wow.
The difference between the two is this. The Criminal Offences Act, 1960 Act 29, spells out the various offenses.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
And then it also spells out what they are designated as, whether there is a misdemeanor, you know. But the Criminal and Other Offences Procedure Act spells out the procedure when it comes to prosecuting criminal offenses.
Oh, okay. So meaning one spells out the various offenses.
One prescribes or proscribes,
Okay.
however way we'll say it.
Okay.
And then the other determines the procedure
Okay.
in charging and prosecuting criminal offenses. But they are both related.
Oh, okay.
Pachoy.
Okay. Yo, ene yada se. Ba se wa mai sa nkyekere mu.
Pachoy.
Ba ko eda ne eyem from so ni nyina di.
Pachoy.
Ba ko no ekire steps and a procedure ya faso.
Pachoy.
Na yaka ehun ya hwe ho asemka.
Pachoy. Nti o hwe Act 29 now. Criminal Offences Act now. Ebia BB to say where we are there stealing. Ebeka say Section 124(1). Ebia, a person who steals commits an offense.
Okay. No, we genocide.
Bibisa, into a prescribe where it's an offense. We say it's an offense. That's what it does.
Okay.
And we have a lot of criminal offenses in Ghana. We will cry, be mumponim. So what young crata animal.
Oh, okay.
We even have an offense.
Now, Abobosi, say, and govern, I mean, criminality in the state. Maybe we hope you might be to me charge you be. Our my Ghana moana.
Pashwine, the answer is a yes. Medical Kasagana Hani Yawamra Bebre over 2,000 to 3,000 laws. Yes. Na Emrani Fano Ewo penalties and offenses.
Okay.
Ebia Ubusam Ranuswa, dear Yadebe. Until Medica can say Act 29 on Act 30, and I say general criminal laws.
Okay.
But there are specific laws. For instance, Mra Yachicha Fire and Kwala the Children's Act. And no, there's a provision for offenses.
Okay.
A woman says, Sebio Oba, now one show bar. It's an offense.
Okay.
What is the punishment? You can go to jail for 6 months.
Okay.
What am I saying? It's in Mrani Biwa. There are offenses sections, so you can be prosecuted under those specific laws.
Okay.
For instance, you were Mrebia, and you were companies near Deno, Ghana, your Companies Act, no. Ebia won't register with company needing, so you are trading in the name. It's an offense. And Ebia, we are director of a company. This is under the Companies Act.
Okay.
We are director of company B. Now, Ebia, you've been caught in a conflict of interest. It's also an offense under the Companies Act.
Okay.
And Ebia, mo company, no say every year, Ebia, some file returns near day. Some more into me and yes, sir. And Ebia, mo returns, there are false information that you provide, and also cry your offense under the Companies Act. Yeah, one rebi a free be Cyber Security Act.
Okay.
Sebi one omu pemwa gra omu tra video no na video no all over. It's also an offense.
Okay.
And now omu ne nkwala chat in a very indiscriminate manner.
Okay.
Ningna they are offenses. But then I first one see a general criminal laws.
Okay.
But when he has specifics. But dear emo kabom ne say under Act 30 no, and no they determine how offenses under these specifics will be prosecuted.
Okay.
Because BBC say Act 30 no, it talks about something like bail. Who prosecute under Yemfa and Sabia Companies Act and our Cyber Security Act, you will consider issues of bail. Bail is under Act 30. They are interconnected.
Okay.
And even in Posebia, where your company director, then you provide false information and what have you. OSHA Act 29 anymore. There are provisions on fraud. They are interconnected.
Okay.
Pachoy.
Very interesting.
Pachoy.
Yeah, may I say. But to have a question, Senator.
Pachoy.
Question at also me, sir. What does it mean to prosecute somebody for an offense? Say, you can say you prosecute Obia. What does it mean to prosecute somebody for an offense?
So you can say, obi kwedu ana ye prosecute obi for offense. It simply means the person has been put before the court, charged with commission of an offense, and they are going to stand trial.
Okay.
Depending on whatever plea they put across. You understand me? Yes. So prosecuting a person for an offense simply means that the person has been put before the court through the appropriate means, and the court is going to try them for whatever offense they have committed. Nature say, ebia, yaka say ye bo obi ko edu ana ye prosecute obi a. Nature say ebia police for adri mu no nipa no ediboni bia ye de na kogina emra dan mu court dan mu na court kwakoye mpensempensemu.
Okay.
Ehu say am swampa nipa no odibone no ana wendi bone no no ye wi a asotwe a esefata no no ya ye den ye di ama no. That is what it means to prosecute.
Samrena ye king kind the bone no e de chire. Okay. And near a police for no yes adwuma no.
There be a do back court and ye king kind police for no de omo ya ye be chill. So there's a complaint lodged with the police station by a complainant, whoever that person is. As you may say, I am say, well, we are me banch, me broad here. You'll be interested as to the kind of cases that come to the court.
Wow.
Well, now, police will take various statements. Now, why I say, well, this abon no, ya be foul. Also, your church will no moon sem.
Okay.
No more showing in area, no more say, I'm pa, kwe do be wa. Ni a ball kwe do no. I'm a ball kwe do now. Your friend, you be charge sheet.
Charge sheet.
Charge sheet, me will be wa.
Okay.
Charge sheets no.
I know.
I know. I'm about court. Document I'm prepare. Police for na ye.
Oh, okay.
Inti emuno yebo udin. Ebi mu kra wo nickname alias bi wo mu a waka so ni ade. Ye bo udin nyina wo nickname nyina ye de to. Na bia kwedu no bi wa ne kwedu nko a ye num insia edu ni nyina ye lesti wom. Inti no we a sample a crime no emunu ye frɛ bi statement of offense. Inti kwedu ba ko na ye de born ye frɛ count.
Okay.
Kwedu bia ye frɛ count. Inti so kwedu no eye du a ye wo count 1, count 2, count 3 to count 10. Na count bia eye kwedu bia mu no niema mienu ye frɛ bi statement of offense. Na kyerɛ sɛ wo hwɛ at 29 na me di kan boss na section a webu no ho na ye twerɛ wo ho nti bia count 1 statement of offense stealing na for ya twerɛ contrary to section ye kotu emra no wo ho nti court dey say woni emra na ya na adwe
ho dey ni agro wo ho
nti ye kotu stealing there section 124 subsection 1 nti stealing contrary to section 124 subsection 1 now for your court law no, of the Criminal Offences Act 1960 Act 29 near the ato boko. Now for yaba the friend particulars of offense a hon ebia the see no scenario no. Yaba no particulars of offense na. Yedi kan bo udin.
Okay.
Ajua sika. Ana yao mensa. Unique name bi wo ho ani abo alias wakasu. Na fe yabo infia wedi.
Okay.
Na fe ya kire ejuma wo ye. Se ba ne se wonye ejuma mpo a ye tro unemployed.
Oh, okay.
Na fe yabo date se emri so and so say no. At this time on so and so date at so and so time you unlawfully appropriated a goat from
interesting
property of Asimesi.
Okay.
Which you knew was not for you, which was not yours.
Yes.
It's a friend particulars of offense.
Jabekin kani nyina
achiro. Jabekin kani nyina achiro.
Okay.
What am I say? Ye wi a ye bisaw. Ujitum.
Ana wonjintum. Oh, okay.
Iya no a wo. Ti ye wi ne sa na afe no yama kwedubofo aye police prosecutors for no. Oma ken kind facts na nkasa de see from beginning to end ema ye ball sa kwedu no.
It is the first part na it is a summary bisa.
Summary bisa and na ya ken kind facts no.
But
summary no.
Answer na be ken me sure me nchewa no. Answer na mbo be ken main facts no. Se mudi ka bisa ne se ujitum ana wonjintum. Enti se okasa ojitum a na mbo be ken main fact na
na so ojitumo
wanjentumu obekenkan
because obi wo ho a obaba be ka say ojitum nso won chiremu.
Okay.
Inti ne chiremu no beba after say ya kenkan. Ebi ana ne chiremu no obetumi de atwitwa age no ho, it amounts to a defense.
Okay. Baby na echimagine kakra ne say mo di kan bisa ne say ogitum say wafom ana fom ya nsa na makenkan we no. Ana makenkan ni nyina nsa na bisa no so ogitum ana.
Debi ya kenkan baako.
Okay.
Na ye bisa.
Okay.
Ni ya kenkan mienu.
Okay.
Na ye bisa. Ni ya kenkan miensa. Usually no bi wo ho a oni lawyer.
Okay.
Obi wo ho a on tikwedu no mpo ase. Mrama ho kwan se ye atemmuafo no bibisa ba we trust that the person is not guilty. Say we will just try the person.
Okay.
Because obi wo ho a on tiasie mpo. Say ogitum so ongintum no mpo on
tiasie.
Onezo ana onezo elenglenu misua enzimane nkakra
obi fi ade na ora to enzimane seriously
well enti no say obeku a dia meka say particulars of offense and no ye yifi facts ni mo.
Okay.
Na particulars no on say kwedu bia no ya wo dia your friend ingredients dia say wo ni aduane niam ebe kom ebe ma aduane no edi mu no kwedu bia so won ingredients enti ya ka say bia stealing. 1 wakofa ade 2 ade na enya odia wa wo ni mpefe sa ade no enya odia 3 we depriving nipa na eye ne dia no use and access to ade no.
Okay.
4 wo ni adwen sa ade no be sa ade akwa koma ni wura. These are the ingredients.
Na say ade ba ko na we no
ye bubu
enema bebre bitimi akotia wo.
Yes enti no say kwedu bi bejina ejina niema mienu we so statement of offense and particulars of offense.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Very interesting.
Yes.
Okay. Etefo question ye anu sisi yes, what does it mean to prosecute somebody for an offense? Enona her worship what church e dey actually. Na me pese bibisa say why any prosecutor no? Who is the prosecutor? Ono no bokwedu no oye why the boss akwedu?
A prosecutor is simply a person who prosecutes offenses for and on behalf of the state.
Okay.
Kwedu bofo ye obia odi obia ye fa ne say wa fom edi ne begina court. Na die hia bia e was all de tudwa ama court no eda edi wo court ho say bone no nipa ne ye ana nipa na anye no nipa no ede sa evidence ni nyina ebe to court nanim.
Okay.
Ma court no ejina so eye den ebua nipa no for ana court eye den ejai sa nipa no nti kwedu bofo no ono ane sa nipa no.
Okay.
Entity a ye sheda de ma enkrofo.
Okay.
Inti no enye a police for nko. For instance, ye Elembele District Assembly, ye sanitation officers, ye wa kwedu bofo wom.
Oh, okay.
They prosecute sanitation offenses. Ebi a uye nikanika, unikanika no. Under district assembly bylaws, you have to keep the place neat and what have you. Omobana won aya dibi bremesa.
Oh, okay.
Na di omunkrata omu ye nyina ete se charge sheet ya near the waba.
Okay.
For instance, ya wo kwedu bofo e wo snit. Snit kwedu bofo. Bia wo company o workers no untu ya omo snit ni ade. Won de sa nipa no eba court nipa na wa form no. Or snakes kwedu bofo. Ain't no and your police for we have a lot of people that are trained to prosecute.
Okay. Me dey na madwen nyina ne say kwedu bofo nyina o nyina ya a police for.
Catch your Debbie.
Okay.
You train you specially.
To various organizations you unko for you train you.
Yes.
Omo no mo begina e boss any pa no kwedu.
Catch your.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. The question is etwasubio. In Ghana, what does the 1992 Constitution say about who prosecutes offenses for and on behalf of the Republic. Mrs. Subium, in Ghana, what does the 1992 Constitution say about who prosecutes offenses for and on behalf of the Republic?
Now, our 1992 Constitution, which is the basic, our highest law, and Article 88,
okay,
it prescribes that the Attorney General is the one who prosecutes offenses on behalf of the state.
Okay.
It is the Attorney General. And you know, so call Office of the Attorney General and Ministry of Justice, they are state attorneys.
Okay.
That do that job. But aside the provision under Article 88, you know, police for snit for they act for and on behalf of the Attorney General.
Okay.
And the powers granted them on behalf of the Attorney General.
Okay.
So what am I saying?
Nti bisabium Attorney General no onone o minor lawyer na na
Minor lawyer, yes.
Minor lawyer.
Yes.
To onona utwitwaje o minor.
Yes.
So obi ni o minor nya asem
yes. Ono
no ogina twitwaje o minor.
Okay.
See etifo Attorney General na yekan ye no I say onene o minor kasamafo onene o minor lawyer ono utwitwaje aban no bibisa aman no okay emra
ensema efa na emra ho nyina ono na efa na so ye
ono na fa ho nti ono na otumi di ne tumi ne bi hye ebinom nsa sa police fo
yes omo mbokwe
na omo nye sa adwuma no
yes
omo nyina omo report ma no
indirectly they act for and on behalf of
okay. But that's it. Your baby sabium. Your question at Twaso. What is the jurisdiction of the district court in criminal matters?
Now, our jurisdiction as a district court is pretty simple. We handle petty offenses, petty stealing, assault, offensive conduct, petty matters.
Bonia emunye
Potoka semana legally speaking, because say offenses which are not aggravated in nature.
And also the dorsum.
Yes. In the district court, the ejuma will hop.
Because enketi bebre.
Yes, obi ko we obi a punching district court. Na ye jumedie no. Our limit when it comes to imposing of sentences is up to just 2 years.
Oh, okay. To me,
and go beyond 2 years.
And I'm to me, shall be 20 years in it,
and
25
district
years.
Court.
And yet, district court.
Just say, be a nipa no a repeat offender, wakwaba, and also your back on
and my confused kakra. Yeba ye district here, Elembelehe. Neono a district court.
Yes.
And that's
a district court.
Azim,
yes, circuit court. Circuit court, you only any limited jurisdiction via.
Mama Betina court dema ye cha obi 20 years ago.
District court? No.
Near what in Crawford?
No.
Oh, okay.
And maybe a nipa no ye repeat offender wa ko jail akwaba no under Act 30 no ya wo ho kwan say be a jurisdiction say 1 year 2 year de bi bon na
okay
ya de nipa na kokra but it won't go to 20 no
it's a petty offenses
petty
and then 2 years
yes
but
and you said 2 years specifically bibi to say stealing say 25 years maximum. But in district courts, 2 years. Into 2 years, if it's 25 years.
Now they are money background.
Now if the person deserves a maximum sentence, that is how far you can go.
My confused
petty. Yes, I know it's confusing.
You say ahana se kakra.
Aye.
Her worship say you bet wobɛte 2 years bi ɛde free maximum sentence bi mu yɛmfa sɛ nipa no bɔne no a wadi no ɛsɛ ɔkɔ dem 25 years a wobɛte 2 years free mu na aka 23 years.
I know there are no yeah district magistrates in Wasem. Would jurisdictional limit here 2 years per.
And that's what they must say.
Yes, within the period. Depending on the sentencing guidelines that you will apply. What am I saying?
What I say?
It's what 2 years, 23 years never can end there. No, it's none of you have nothing to do with it. You have to make sure you are within your jurisdictional remit.
Okay.
Ain't in a petty offenses near the district court. No.
Okay. Now, as I may buy no as soon, and no mobile batra say years and as independent dino say a boot 2 years no ube this case no and be pushy at the caucasium.
Yeah, the caucasium.
What about caucasium? There's a fear na as independent.
Sometimes where do both one be share bonena we dino any associa and a disa fatal wa no way decided say we had the call district court and ya the call Cassium.
Oh, okay.
It's a quid do both one in Tansana. Mobile file their friend a charge sheet no. Almost away in a it said that be our fro court, waba court or dano. But it's a quid do both one a catcher judge and say, my lady, Yasha Semia, we want enhanced sentencing.
And on
enhanced sentencing say assembly muye drew intino say ye pese ye pass so tria ene boneno echo.
Nesa no that means what the 2 years in Yabema no.
Say 2 years no any bonene be kwa.
What the Nina Bema?
What the Bema no?
Still making a hobby. Maybe some question back on. We near Kwedu Bofono or they or no wabo Kwedu. And no na more to me maximum 2 years. Na some of the massa and the panel. Samia mewahe so be etimi bonibi. Na se me ankasa me di nipa no back court eno na nye police ni ana kwadubofo bi ena oma asem no be pie wanimu a eno nso asotwe a wo ho ma sadipa no still 2 years maximum na.
Yes, because you brought the person for commission of a crime. And a crime is governed under Act 29 and Act 30. Inti dianipa na yeno ene yehwe humbra yade asotwe ebono. What am I say?
Okay.
So we look at the crime. We don't even look at whoever prosecutes. This is what has been put before the court. Okay. Say nipa na wi adio. Sometimes so uba court kra na uba ya judge no. Only judge ni be yin semano esi bebre won crofo court or and no cry even in the face of the court cry a crime or
bonnet
pa contempt and contempt in put the do district court you do call high court
and you find contempt
no.
That means only
what book court name
okay
and also in some course court you'll be amazed. Obi wo ho on procedure na say wehu
okay
na won ti asia de bia ma no da so say won ti asia bisa ne ye be church mu
okay
obi the application ba case bi o person obe ka ho application for joinder court ahwehwe mu waje atum say yo bra be ka asem no ho as defendant in hwehwe wo ho I was say ye ya kan ye do be ka asem no ebe den ebe di mu
okay
I was say we file be a friend no title of case no cry no suit no cry I was say yes no nti ye Kamasa versus Awa sesia Kwame abeka ho no nti Kamasa versus 1 Awo 2 Kwame I was say amend even the title na ye wi a nkrata ya ye ne ade wo sa case mi I was say ye di bi ma obi wo ho anti ase nti wo ka say o mama 2 weeks kona nkrata ni nyina yam hwehwem ni yamfa wo de ma na wo so wo anu ye bi a o de abane na ne buafu ebi me kra to me begina court o ye ya nkwasiafo ne ade ni nyina ye contempt o yes ana say court city na court di ni dwuma na wa begina yard ni na mo bo atwede wo yard ni ni nyina ye contempt well enti boni no enye said dia kwedu bofo ndebi you can commit a crime oye bibisa wo court a ne ye de wa hye kwedu bofo ne nsa say ho na ye in charge for so and so offense ultimately
yes
enti it is not really about who brings what or the procedure. It is the alleged acts or omission.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
And more utu ye ana said they went to no. And no na ye jina so ebo ukwedu. It is anomon utu wa court dem ho na judge ni yes asimesi ana obentin yemfa ni ntu ana ye ni say ana say obi na call report ma police for edo bo ukwedu ni nyina no ekoben krom say anamontu a utu ye ana dia wan ye no your act or omission. That is what we look at to determine your criminal liability.
Okay.
Pacha otimase.
Papa meti ase.
Okay.
Very interesting. Etiefo ni ahwefo. Yesua de pa adesua ye. Sisia ye hu ne say wo wasem kra na ukọ court na wan kokasa ye mfa say unyina daka mumpo na wo ne ye bi a wokọ denadi e wo ho no ensem fata entwe ye ya wan kasa ye mpo a yetumi chewtum yetumi bo hu so ko adu wo ho a na mra no ani odi yada wase ya beto a questions no so. Aside the general jurisdiction of the district court, are there other specific areas that the district court has jurisdiction over, or it is only the general matters?
Thank you, Mr. Kamasa. Now, we aside sitting over the matters, as I indicated earlier, the district court also sits as a family tribunal.
Oh, okay.
You understand me? Family tribunal, meaning it presides over matters that concern children, matters of custody, paternity, maintenance. In certain circumstances as well, we also sit as a juvenile court where offenses involving children come up. You understand me? And then we also perform what is called committal proceedings. Dia me pa chene say ye di nkwala ho nsem nkwala e bia ne ho akoka edwa mu ne ade ye di sa nsem no na obi a bia ye se wakoku obi ansana ye de kwedu no ye de obekọ high court na o se ye di kind of oba district court.
Okay.
Na district court eye nhwehwemu say bia so ampa say nipa no wukun no pacha otimase ya yes anhwehwemu ni wie na afa ya den krata nyina ka ho ne ya de wokọ high court and no ne your friend committal proceedings.
Okay.
The kind no issues of murder ne ade no police for the docket. This is how a docket looks like. Like
it's a file.
A file.
And
but the whole compendium near friend of dockets no.
Okay.
Docket. Yeah, the duplicates come at Attorney General's office. No more shame. Initial complaint I had the call no. Nipa na complainant no in some of cocaine. Also I che no. We no mun sem. Ebia witnesses be a bear money ya church on semina ebia exhibit say all the second out the world nipa no say two oni ade gada ni nyina na dey come Attorney General's office no mahwem ehun say kwedu no ebegina ana engina.
Okay.
What you say no your friend will be advice of the Attorney General.
We ewudie
hu sem one of the specialized jurisdictional areas of the district court.
Okay.
Enti no ebia ebekọ ho no Attorney General for because oh there be instead of murder and manslaughter, ebi anipa na nsheda ntokwa bi na bae. Na pupo bi na bibi esida. Inti advice ne ba no maka say yembo nipa no kwedu say. E ho na police for agina so ebo ne kwedu ankasa.
Oh, okay.
What am I saying? So you've been charged with so and so offense. That is the first step. Omu bia na yasan akwa Attorney General hope you. Na yakoji bibia your friend bill of indictment. Bill of indictment no. Eye kwedu na afa the Attorney General for show say yemfa mbɔ no. Eno na summary of evidence adansefuo nyina ebedi adanse wa asɛm no mo menum asɛm a mba bɛka ɛka ho bi na afa exhibits bia yɛwɔ ebia omokoye coroner inquest doctor autopsy report or troy ebia multiple stab wounds and hemorrhage to the brain and bibi ni nyina ka ho bi ebia implement bia o use ye ni nyina na ye de aba
okay
ye de basa na wo district court no ya your friend committal is simply we are committing you for trial to the high court well enti no ya wa krata bia na ya wa specialized krata bia eba ne sa ya fele
okay
enti ye wo hwe krata ni ma kro court ne want yan ya ha no ya won Nkrofo district court enti ya tro the republic versus nipa na wakodi bono na ya tro esi mansa ya tro udin wo ho na efe ni nyina de obeka ni ya tro na ye bisa on saka ebia bill of indictment summary of evidence ko edu hu nkrata ni nyina on saka ai there be na ya tro
very interesting very interesting pa
na for ye bisa o say bia ko edu na ye de abo no wo asem bi ka wo ho a ya obeka nyina ye betro na emrane hwe se ya atemwa for district courts e bia won sem kan anim no you were inconsistent nsisi so papa ni ade ni nyina ye betro say bia the accused at the time of making the statement appeared not to understand or was inconsistent ye be bisa ni nyina na ni nyina ya chocho uwia na wasan ase na wa sheda e was ye de nipa no de eko high court
okay
uwie so a wo chocho mu your friend is saying adansefo a accused person no obefre omu nyina wo tro wom omudin baby ebe hu omo ebi omo address nya ya tro wom se na be kodu high court wa information wo ho dada ze nya afiansa ye twetwekọ ye twetwebra ye chase we ye hwehwe we bibia wo mu dada pacha otimase iti ye wi a na ye the way any accused person ne nkrata ni nyina e de wokọ na district court ye de ye wi ye dwuma
no mo wi mo dwuma
pacha wai
okay maybe sir little follow up question kakra
pacha wai
me yamfanes ye ewudie ho asem ne ye ya ma example sisi ye enti sa emre no modi we no beko Attorney General office na ebeba na mai wenya sa nipa no aya modi ni sie hefa nipa na yamfa na se wedi bone no
the person is on remand in prison custody
and near remand
yes
prison
yes
and your police cells na yad ne
prison custody
okay okay nti no time frame beyond ho nti nipa ne betuma dawa be boso be mi nsakra
well it's up to the judge and prosecution to expedite matters
from attorney ho na make no okay so report in free Attorney General ho maya nipa ne betwiri mu sa okay
o hwe act ni mu a bail the court can consider bail
okay
but it depends on the circumstances
chireme kakra
circumstances ne say maybe I no cry your question your beba so but okay. I can still touch on it briefly
okay
maybe ana bonina nipa ne di no the person poses a threat to even the community nipa sa na ye njai wo seko
okay
ana wo kra we di bonino ye jai wo seko a ye bekun nipa pi nti sa de na say sometimes and you say you're sorry I say you're remanding Nkrofo kwa sometimes it is for your own safety
Okay. Matthias here. Ujai no a ebiana obape enam the nature of offense in community for
because the community abhors the offense.
Okay.
For instance, assembly fee azimechu achenyi ana echiho baby. Wehu. Oyiri ni ekunu. Yabo omukwedu se omweku. In fact, ekunu ni twejato ebi mu dan mu papa dan. Ena oshe ehon lebusuya se.
Hey.
Yes.
Nipa we.
They burnt to ashes.
Oh.
It's murder.
Oh.
Oya dan anajo omada no twejato omo dan roof e papa dan ibi.
Oh.
Ena omo she dwurebe. Aye ekunu nkwala mienu se miensa. Inti nipa odi sa bone no on dey abo no kwedu for murder. Okwa akodi bone no susu ho kire ne yire. Ne yire na anye bibia say inti ono so ya charge ni bi. Inye for murder but abetment of crime. Murder ya beba ho.
Okay.
Inti asem no akodi attorney general for nsema omo ye mu nhwehwemu ni ade advice ni ade beba. What am I saying?
Matthias.
Endi 1 month 2 months. Ekunu ni yiri eba. Onu pa asem ni si na won kran yo. Onu efi nkran aba area ho impotemu ho. Aba be threaten impotemu ho fo no.
Hey.
So obey den ono so ebe tor ebi mu ase obekun ebi mu.
Hey.
Enti wo hwe ha boy. Wo hwe ha so boy. Akwala asa no ye nja wo seko. Ayesa kroma fo no bekun. Oh, mama, no, papa, Eddie, Sa, Yamrasem. Well, they are innocent until proven guilty.
Okay.
But this is the charge that is pending against your parents. And you are also coming in to compound the crime.
Interesting.
Oh, what am I saying?
Yen
sorry, say you remand you be, and I am sorry, say you more be bill. Yes, sir.
Me the name say remanding in a offense assumption.
No.
What should me say? What should me say?
Mr. Kamasa, me jina eha akansi so say elembele ha no ebi efa dwen say remand ya so twa ya so twen
enya so twen ebi ho a
ebi o we dey ebi eboa o empempi na ebi akwadu bofo no beba say yenye yen hwehwemu mpom wie ye.
Okay.
What am I say? Inti say nipa no ye gya no mo kompo ebi the person protocol say me kasa the person will interfere with the conduct of investigation. Ade na ye dey ye investigation e da ha nipa ne gya no mo kope obekwa ko yie fi ho obesai no mpo
amwanya bibia ngina so
ambo no kwadu.
Okay.
When I know ya beba ho.
Ya baba ho.
We ye nti anima.
Me da se pa. Be to me questions in so. Can you explain the processes undertaken by prosecution before charging a person for an offense in court? Explaining the processes.
Okay. Now, I will speak for matters that concern the court.
Okay.
Because as a police, like I mentioned earlier, they will take your statement, they'll do all of that, visit the scene if need be, and do all the needful. Then eventually they will file what is called a charge sheet in the court. Charge sheets and na me de sample extra wono. Tom de sa charge sheets ne ba na fe ya de wa ba begina adaka mu.
Okay.
You are put before the court. Ti ya fra wa sema u begina adaka mu a ya fra no doc no mu a. Ne ya kenkan kwedu na kyerɛw.
Okay.
Ya kyerɛkyerɛ mu a kyerɛw. Na fe ye bisa anu yi a wo.
Okay.
Nti that is the procedure. They filed their charge sheets, and yet police for Snate for environmental, all prosecutors, they file their charge sheets, and then it continues from there.
Okay, but that's it. My questions in this.
Yeah.
What happens in court after the person has been brought to court and charged? What happens?
So, like I said earlier, once you are charged for that offense, the offense is read out to you. Yedi kan bisa kasa kra obeka. So kasa enye twi nzema fantia obeka buzanga ebi mu kra ba cause obeka mosi ni buzanga. We look for interpreters for you.
Hey.
Yebisa o kasa obeka. Esan se kwedu no, e wo se ye church mu kyerɛ wo kasa obeti asie mu. What am I saying?
Matiase.
Enti no na afa yebisa o anu yi a wo ye kenkan mu kyerɛ wo. Na yebisa o, woji tum ana wunji ntum. Na nsen no yetumi bisa sa na se woji tum na so wo nkyeremu. Yebisa obi wo se oji tum. Oyeye. Obi wo so se oji tum so owo nkyeremu na afa yebisa no nkyeremu no den. Ana obi wo so se onji ntum kra.
Okay.
Inti ya ne saa wi a ni nyina na wo judge no record yo. Inti judge adwuma enye easy.
Achurechuru wo papa.
I was say word for word.
Word for word.
Obi wo ho a na kwedu no kra on ti ase. Nipa no so kra oni lawyer. Udi kan bisa no wo lawyer na oni lawyer. Me wo bi, me ni bi. Sometimes maybe nipa no wo lawyer but lawyer na mba court. Out of ethics, me there sometimes no me dey asem no beto. Na mama date says so and so date if our lawyer bra.
Okay.
He say me hwehwe say wo lawyer be wa ansa we kwedu na no. Ebia wo lawyer no na be kire say can he say fa ne ha ana fa ne say.
Na ona nso ka say mia me pese me defend me ho so.
And also try to her.
So ona no say pese
defend me. Accused appeared to understand the charge, its nature and its implications. Record ne da ho. To me nko sesa wa no say me kra man tiasie there be.
Okay.
Na in that circumstance ne so obi wo so kra oni lawyer ono so kra on tiasie. Emra kwan so no yetumi ka say okay and they will enter a plea of not guilty. Send ye be ya will try the matter. Na ye be di asem no. Kwedu bofo be from dance for ne ade. Wo so ye wo be from dance for so wo bia. Inti ye ne sa no yes, I send you by the time I be na one kasa what kwedu na se. Ain't no say you be boa fo, say you be ja o se ko no. At the end of the trial no wa better ho ase. Yeah.
Me to have questions no so.
Actually.
What are the pleas available to an accused person after the person has been charged for an offense?
Edi kan mejitum. Menjintum. Mejitum so ebia me won chiremu bi. Ne mi ensa no.
Those are the pleas available. Mejitum, menjintum.
Mejitum na chese me ye. Menjintum na chese man ye. Ana mejitum me ye na mo nchechemu bi wo ho. Chechemu no wo kan wi a o say judge ne hwe. No way, she said, Chechem no. A bet me to charge you, and I cassa bia na oka can keke. Wabo trim na oka bibi.
Okay.
What am I saying?
Okay. Her worship, would the baby sakakra? Case about court. Our bra, the pana say, and from sui be jitum, and so me one chirim or chirimono in chirimono to which you charging the pardon. Emma, or fan of dear.
It to me, Banessa.
It me, sir. Okay. There is a court to honor your ability. Say, we bet stretch the wings same year.
On the Esruakano. Say, I didn't hear Bejina. Court, I
soon be one part. So, we are soon be home.
A people backward, I'm sure, would even say, yeah, so now me see.
What's not way? Soon be one part.
Miss Rich almost so still. Just who was so sad. Well, it's a bit of a crowd ban is strony. I didn't know. Mejitum. Just like that.
On your bonnet,
no, so it's Robia. No, what you have to on so. Ain't yeah, Timwafon, ye ready, Obia, and can't come on, you do on Bejina. Adaka doc, we read you from head to toe. Psychology, yeah, sure. Say nipe enwa kanana onwa origin in form so tum. It is ebia wo kase no ya hwana you are hesitant. Ana say wa no fum na bibia na ese there be let me enter a plea of not guilty to give the person the benefit of the doubt.
Okay.
So that at the end of the trial will prove the person's guilt or not. It to me see.
Kon ho tum performa I don't know on your crowd to be cry
confusion to me see.
So how no when I will be
yes, because nipa no need lawyer.
Okay. Okay.
Esida. Obi o say me jitum so me won chemu. Ne nchemu ne say emre no time cry ya say asem ni sikra na me ni ho. Eh alibi. I just said the person is not guilty.
Matias Matuaso. Let's speak about bail matters. What does it entail? Say ye ma ubi bail then a co bail mu.
Okay, now bail comes in ebia ye tie wenu mu asem. Ya can kind facts not show. What am I say? Then we are going to the next step. Are you ye be boa for ana say bia wo say woji tuma. And I say ye be boa for ano no. So unjim tum so ye be den e wo say ye gina so na ye di asem no. What am I say? It's in between no. Ebi as ada ne nsem no dose wo court until I say ye dey wasem no to ho. Na your friend another day. Na fe bail nsem abem. Now, Emrano Osha ye Act 30 now. I just say you do so level now. The court has a discretion to either grant bail or not. Now, say Emrano no can say all offences are bailable. No more yes, say be a send me di kan kai no. Asem ne more rem. A more rem such that your kase ye jail say kwa. One, even the security of your immediate community neighborhood is at stake.
Okay.
And now one kasampono. One kasampono krano. Ye jawo se kwa answe ya. Won fa won kwan sign back court them hope you.
Okay.
So in that circumstance no, court no be ka tumi aka say okay. And me do ba trim mu kakra. Se ne be ya dia ya hwehwemu a ye pese ya na trial ni nyina no. Ye be ye wie na afa ye decide say ye jawo ana ye do ko jail.
Okay.
And no your sentence o. And your remand. And the lambele albert and I let them judge na sentence ni enya sentence o. Your remand.
Ya de we sie kakra.
Ya de we sie kakra.
Na ya toa. Ehwehwemu no so. Okay.
Ebi wo a police for the kwedu no beba but wo show am fast o metro say investigation is still ongoing. Maybe a police for 48 hours no ya quite against you immediately now say you do see ebe court ebe jina court ebe bo kwedu.
Okay.
What am I say? Yeah. Police themselves will tell the court. So we are praying that you remand the person into our custody to enable us continue with her. It is not jail. I know jail. And I know I'm surprised.
And into the use dear Senebeya, Yebenya and Tiasia.
Yes.
In fact, and then you may say, Bibi Baku Honma, Messia, a Tifunina Abasha, and say, so I remind na a ya Sakis Kokota, Yadi and Kofoko Shirim say, Shirimukakra, near Shimino. Wama yati asese ebi bo sandi pano ho ban.
Yes.
Because cases ni bi ho mas ye gyan ni pano sa na oba community no kwa betumi attack no.
Yes.
On betumi adinawu na bibisa nti etumi bo sandi pano ho ban. Na biom so ama nhwehwemu no di pano entumi ankotietia na wankotempa.
Yes.
Bit nti na mo yesa we no.
Na Bill Samson no ya hwe se bia wa nipa no owo baby ote ewo jurisdiction of the court. Does a person have a fixed place of abode that ye hwehwe na ye behu no? Ye kwa asimesi fia eho na ye behu no.
Mo hwe no so.
Ya hwe no so.
Ansa na man bail.
Ye hwe se bia nipa no nya flight risk. Obi wo and the woman ni bail the next moment ododo call no. What am I saying? Now, say nipa no cry, woman bail, obenye bi mo cry, sureties. And sometimes bail ni bi wo cry, you on your own self-recognizance. Me say, self-recognizance, me say, ehun hiya say obenye obi manage na wechi as surety. I don't know ya the man obi you can trust. For instance, me say snitch case is bad. Obi wa a headmaster of a school.
That person surety biamba.
Into Uber said the person is granted bail on his own self-recognizance. Nature say, court enya GDA bi wo umu. Say, unyane, dana court besha se brano, ubeba. Time bia court hiya se brano. Ubeba. Na ya shwana se GDN ni wasana sureties no. Ebe mu no.
Surety no, any day no, and any sika na say a
David nipa ojina wechi.
Okay.
Say, abribia court hiya no, obehwe ne ye de waba. Inti na ye ma bill no, ye di kan etwa sika bi to ho. As soon as an Benton is granted bail in the sum of, depending on the nature of the offense, 5,000 Ghana cedis with one surety. Sure, and you know, try say 5,000 Ghana cedis no, and no na ebia surety no, obetuana bonena wedding up pay few no.
What they no age na.
What they no age na.
Nipa ni nwane.
Sane be nipa ni ndwa no. Inti nipa ni dwane a na afa wo surety ni ya hye tuasa sika no.
Oh, okay.
5,000 potoka sem your friend bail bond. That is the sum.
Bail bond, okay.
Inti someone share na surety no accused person na suspect no odwane a. Then we street that bail bond against you, the surety. Sign church, me de say because nipa pi ko jina ebi mo ayo mo ho bail contractors.
Asembia no mo
di echire.
Insunsan so ho.
Insunsan so ho.
Chirem kaka ne.
Ebi na me di kan me ka no. Say wo surety no. Was said ye say e was abribia court here. Nipa na ya bonu kwedu no wo hwe se nipa na obeden obekọ anan hihye ye bia court ne be ye no obeden obedi so
when di so
said that krumpo court fra asem no na nipa no wamba na wo no ye de waba begina court enim
o na obefi
say come and justify as to why bail bond bi na sika na ye twa to nipa ni tis no court nhye wo se tuasa sika no.
If you say you nipa
na chese wo wa said ya no wan ye
let's just say
nipa pi ti ase o
it's a bill no yen shedan
sorry ma kankanka ensem ni bia ye wiema kefa say ye tumi ka say surety no kra no I was so no kra o ye de fo nye japade bi eno ne afre no justification
okay
ebi mo ba court no it me ye so and so is granted bail in the sum of maybe 20,000 cedis with two sureties, one of whom should be justified. You can justify that also onye japade bi. Would be si ho. What am I saying? Sabio metiwe me we japade a me nhwe say dwane na me ho nkyere me. No. Sometimes so surety no cry to me ka say, I will say surety no cry bia ofi ana oti elembele ha. Ebi esida motor traffic case bi nipa ne fi se takra deal sa aguna na eba na ya be che no ezia ma ha so commit motor traffic offense nipa na mo fi a it is to secure the person's attendance in court. I ordered that one of the sureties should reside within the jurisdictional remit of the court and the prosecution should visit the said surety's place of abode to assist.
I worship. Maybe some question back.
You.
A sida say obi ejinemu ema yama obi bail. Ema nipa no wedwane ana yehunu ema sa nipa na ogina bail no yedono abebe gina ho ema emra no ebuetia no ma ye jeli nipa ko no wakodema na bibisa
no
ebi esida.
I understand you perfectly. The atiane say wo surety ne de you've not committed any offense inti kwedu na enam so ayede nipa na wedwane ana wamba court no eba court no yemfasa kwedu ne mbo mfa wo nkoje no.
Okay,
that's not it.
Then is
wo de police for file BB motion or notice for a treatment of bail bond. Ya de krata bi beto court ha. Say court in share na bond na court ede two nipa no na wo wugina mu as surety no. Meka ni twi mu say yempai engu tri so. Na che say sika na court edit to nipa ni ti so no yan show netua in that circumstance no say sika no it is a debt you owe against the state.
Okay.
And so utua say sika no ma o man no
na apata sa nipa na wodwane no
something like that.
Okay.
And yes say the kwedu bi bo there bi
okay
ebi esida and say man say fi nkrofolo sade obi oton force ni ade na wakojina surety ama obi ayese okowi ade na nipa na edwane
oh
na enumpo na e police for bail police inquiry bail bail ni o mumie no dia police for ma na dia court for ma
police for omutumi ma bail.
Yes, omutumi ma bail na e friend police inquiry bail na court su bail wo ho
the police for the normal man kire say omo nso ye nhwehwem
but ubetumi akọ
obetumi akọ
but eno so hia surety ni nyina the terms are similar.
Okay.
Well ne yedi nipa na ba erabe your turn for so gina mu surety bail sum near 5,000 me order ni so ontua the sum
because ye hu nipa no
it's a debt you and say ye bo kwedu say wako wi ade aye no wo de hu ko wi ade no wo de ginemu ama nti tie for me say ye nya santi ase no
okay
yenya santi ase no so ko gina surety a na say unfortunately nipa na wo gina mu ma na odwane ya na wo ne mfa ho ko bo ko edu mfa ho ko je no
na emum bibia wo ho na wo di si ano no
eno
na wo be hwere sade no say japade a nti ebi ti say dan ebi betumi de dan agina em wa hwere sa ade no so
it's up to you.
Okay.
Nti na say ehia wa wo be hwe se nipa no obeba
na mum asotwe ne de ye mfa nto so
no nya say wo na wo ko jail no nipa pi ni santi ase no
etifo ha ne hia pa ye sua de nso ha pa nti se ugine mu ma obi na ye granting the bail nipa ni dwane a ye mfa asotwe no emfa nto so na emum adena wo digina bail bond no
sika no ne
sika na japade a
you forfeit it
eno na wo ba hwere
your friend be forfeiture you forfeit that
wo ba hwere na eno no atua sa aka no ifize nipa na dwane na say yen sorry ma bail anyhow
David
say we make sure say wonim nipa no
yes
wonim ni su ne ne ban ansana
etifo o ma da ne o bail contractors it's a kamasa ehu
pa ya da wase ya beto a question no so brof kese bi wa ha ya che say wa na wa kirem ma mo ne ye nso ana wabo ame what is alukutos in law alukutos in law
say ye di asema ansana ye be bua ofo no ye bisao say den na wo ka enam saade na wo be ka no so no ebia wa so twe no eye 10 years ye be ma 1 year ana ye bete so ama what do you have to say as to why a sentence should not be passed against you in accordance with the law? Asem na obeka no eno ne alokutus. Edru ho dia na afa utumi say nipa hiamwa. Tumu say nipa bobrim. Obi wo kra otumi book kotodwe su.
Yes, obisa na sa asem no.
Yes.
Yes, sa asem ne last asem obibisa ansa na obua no fo.
Bebua ofo.
Okay.
So obi wo ha simply no my lord me pacho man ye ni ye ma fom. Ni nyina na ye record ye hwe. Ye hwe wudi mi na mpo wo box daka ni mu. Doc ni mu ye hwe. Obi wo na say Simobi this was about 3-4 years obi be ka kire me edu sa time no nipa na ka kire me say oh Nancy na wa sha ase enya nkukọ. Oh. Na ne nkukọ no mususa. Obi ni ho be hwe mi ti se me de ne ko jaila.
Nkukọ ni nyina bewu. Koni bewu.
Obi wo ho be ka o menyira wo foforo. Ye ni hwefo obi a. Nti edu ho dia na
so ho no
atunyame.
Etumi to wakoma so ma utumi hu nipa ne mabo.
Oh, it depend.
Say or sefata suchena.
Akoko de say akoko ba de say akoko ba. Dear this sefata ono. Me de be ma.
Interesting. I'm very interesting. Much of a question this review. Nti eno no ne the offense alocutus in law.
Yes.
Near Ubeka.
Yes.
And sana.
Odi be twitwa je who say my lord. Me ma me kese ana
Mobile. Na ma from there. Nso mobile. Okay. The question is to Ahobium. What does the court consider in sentencing a person convicted of an offense? What does the court consider? Then a court in sentencing a person.
But I Mr. Kamasa answer me yi sa question yanu. But the ebe kwa ichire kakra, the midi kai no. Answer na yebe bisa o sa asem no kra se den na wo ka no. Yedi kan bisa kwedubofo ni se nipe is a person known to the law. More atiefo akọ court that are witnessing criminal trials near the yebisa. When we say a person is known to the law, it simply means if you are nipa no wako ya sentencing da ya na ko gina court abonu ko edu ebu anu further.
Okay, is the person known?
Are you known to the law? Na say won him running him na e na police for produce a record and so ya sentence na ya final 20 times ni nyina record ne beba
Amambo be ken kan nyina so
on so and so date the accused person was charged with the offense of stealing in the Asimesi District Court or so and so court and was sentenced to so and so terms imprisonment or was fined so and so or ni nyina ya be kenkan. Now if you are not known to the law and nature say wundi boni bia ma court embua for nature say wono hu son.
Okay.
Answer ya ba dia ye baby say no there ya wona wuyi ano. Na I was say yeti ase say obi wo ho a wedi boni bi da. Na court abondo. In fact, so wedi boni da na court abondo ndo wa sempo there ya mobokra.
Court abondo no.
Abondo say ebia you are bonded to be of good behavior for 2 years and on a bond no.
Okay.
Since within that period no kodi boni bia bio anu po de yembisa wenu masem kra straight. Na ya sentence o patch
mate hona say.
Aha.
I say court abo koko.
Court abo koko.
Within ebia mfie yinu afebako enye boni bi. Okay.
Esi mo bi me bondi obi sa say me ondi boni. Ipa ne man sasu bisa me wo court senti my lord say me yire rough tremia metumi abono na me to me mbono.
Very interesting.
I say a broad cry no boni assault nti hwa hu yie.
Okay.
Ben kasa.
Okay.
Well, aha. Enti no afa me ba wasem bisa no so say then ye hwe.
Yes.
Sani amidi kan ye hwe say are you known to the law or are you not known to the law? Ebia wedi boni bi da me de wakogina court ebua wo fo da ana bibisa emba wakwemu da bibisa wo ho a where is the record ye hwe kwedubofo ne the record no eba afa ye hwe boni na esi wedi no ene asotwe a emra no se ye mfa ma and of course ye hwe court ni so jurisdiction because don't say ye kasemu no ye medikan ka say district court no ye were restriction kakra wo ho.
Yes.
Ya hwe ni nyina afa ya hwe se ebia ifi a wedi you are 70 years 80 ana nipa ni so uswa mpodia usually we akwala mpodia ya mfa wonko jail say secondary ni ade da bi ya do ko your friends a correctional institute.
Okay.
They be my friend Buster home and bibi.
Okay.
Ya wo Mamo be senior correctional center near there. How na ya me den kwala no ko.
Nti no age limit near.
Eni say would da ho 18 years.
So me pese dipan bone no say 10 years obetuma ko ho 8 years obetuma ko.
Na make say emra even though e bia wakọ wi ade. O ya kwala wakọ wi ade you are less than 18 years. So wakọ wi ade. Ye bua o for. What am I say? when you are sentenced, you are not supposed to stay at the correctional center beyond 18 years.
Okay.
In a time I would do boneno. Now we're 15 years. I had 15 if free 18 in my 3 years.
Okay.
Maybe I had 4 or 5 months. Be a efficient. Maybe I'll be 2 years, 2 months.
Okay.
2 years, 3 months. Nipa pi nim sad way.
My two and I say still the question I'm saying me nyanti ase papa. But say me who say nti already 7 years na odi boni ye betumi na ko. And I just odi 10 years and 12 years and sana odi boni bi a ye na ko sa correction home.
There is that restriction.
Nti age limit near there.
I know you're baba in the second part.
Yes, okay. Nti na me bi sa. Okay. But and yes or that bro 18.
No.
Okay.
We infants crowd. Infants. Obi a we infants. Obi a wa dream cow near the crowd. There are restrictions. On say ye bebua o 4, ye bebua o bem. Maybe you are so drunk. Ye beba ho.
Okay.
There are restrictions there.
The question is also. I'm say we ya no kakra, but me say ebisabium. I'm say we ya no kakra. What does it mean when we say a person is known or unknown to the law?
Like I said earlier, known to the law, dear. Not just say where the bonny be. I'm a court a bua or 4. Ye bua or 4 now. Yes, say maybe I will call jail pet. Maybe I know final. Maybe I know bundle. And maybe I wako jail. You are known to the law. It's 100 times. And you bought court na money. Unknown to the law, the nature say. 1 year, but
what's in beyond MP court?
Maybe your previous convictions, no, and for the same offense. It means that you are a repeat offender for similar offense.
Okay.
In can say first earlier ones in the same court. A bit to me back when you for it to be my lady. 2 years ago, this person was brought before you. You jailed the person. The person is back again for the same offense. You're not listening, you know. Well, says BBI and come, wow, there be.
Okay.
I just say, oh, dear, why I won't say, and one bonina now be.
No, Biddy. What's the sign? But that's it.
That's right.
The question I toss you. Who is a suspect? A suspect. And who is an accused person? A bit to assume. To us, I may say, can you explain the differences and at what stage of the prosecution these terms are used? Can they be used interchangeably, Ms. Susubium? Why any suspect and who is an accused person? Can you explain the differences and at what stage at the prosecution these terms are used?
One flows from the other. If you're a suspect, no substantive charge has been brought against you for which your plea has been taken. Police for answer so 48 hours ne yachi won. What am I saying? I will say immediately, no, you do back court. Na you do kwe do biba. Say, as me say na bentino. Yes, susu say, wako we are dear. Intino, my lord. My emran kakra ne yanko we yan shushomu ne yan sambra. In that stage, you are a suspect.
Yes, obi or a suspect ni obi a ye fan say.
Yes. Into that stage, no, there yentia we no masem. Say be more atiefo ni bia ba court order. Dia me ya ne say, kwe du na ye di kind dia ba no making kind mu a kire na maka cho se men kasa.
Oh, okay.
Esan say kwe du bofo ne se den. Onye ni hwehwe mu wie. Eya, mpempi no oye nhwehwem no wie a otumi ba se o da bi kwe du no. Ye beje mu amanaka ana say ye bedani mu. Ana mpo say ye de bi kura be ka ho. Etumi si esi da. Say no your suspect no.
Okay.
And of course accused person there bibia di mu. Na fe ye nya ahoden say ye den ye bisa wenu mu asem.
Okay. Accused person say nhwehwem bi akoso.
Bibia akoso.
Emma e dedi say we di boni bi. Ana ne ho bon boni bi mu.
you bet see any more.
You bet okay. So suspecting the anoye your fan say nipa no.
Yes.
Why you born
most circumstances say 48 hours ne ya chi ekwedubo form say okay yendi kan fa no nkojina court I say yes you ho be kire what am I saying
nti suspect
e ba ne sa na say bia omo ye omo hwehwem nyina ewie omo ye set say bia kwedu no ya be system ne ade omo ba court a omo aka kire temwani ne say charge sheet na ye di kan de ba ye no ya pese ye dane mu ya substitute charge sheet no for a fresh one. Fact na ye di kind de buy no cry ya pese ye dane mu ne substitute charge no so ye pene ne sa
okay
na fe ye gina fresh one no so abo kwedu ankasa na ye tie wenu mu ase
okay
pacho
very interesting atifo enche ebewie the question e to biom can you list some of the various offenses in Ghana amayetume hu say we ye boni we mpepi na ya mpa na ebia yenim po say ade bi sei eye boni nti se yetumi hu a na obia ahye no ho so ada no ho so say ene bibi sei mpa ye gusu a ye mpo yenim say eye boni nti ye pese obobo bi so kire list some of the various offenses in Ghana.
Stealing so we are there defrauding by false pretenses fraud Pacho bi say o mame sika 20,000 na mema wasase wo ebia zuleluen wa mu no unfi ahimfie mpo uni asase
okay
ana utua sika say mame me ye adwuma with company we ya supply abobo ya be ma obi wa mu wo nye adwuma company kra unti din poda
ana ye baka na sa 419
bibisa Otima say
wadada obi aji bibi efi no a wa manipa na aji atum say bibi saa wo ho ana wo saa capacity no eno ne defrauding no wow
well defilement so sebio wakwa fa akwala only 16 defilement Otima say
Matthias
assault eno so wo hobby
okay
causing unlawful harm uprobi causing unlawful damage wo say obi ade
okay
I am ma kwan say den say no unlawful entry we wura obi premises a ye ma ho kwan yes
okay.
Unlawful entry na ne trespass na nam trespass so sa ahaya masase wa be fa so ana wo do bibia be fa trespass
ano so ye
me
boni
ma ho kwan se fa ho ano so ye mra
to obetumi de na court
yes
ma court be bua no for
yes
so wotumi prove say wa fa wa sase no so a abra wa mo amane
yes
emra ho okay her worship me
so premises for unlawful purpose
me fie na obi ba fie ho abra minnim so oba ho wa mama mane a metumi a charge ne say wa fom okay
but usually you need to prove a criminal intent it's a lawful entry and it's stealing nenam what do I say
yes I want to be sorry monra obi fie just like that so who on the compound crowd obetumi
a charge for unlawful entry
onim ne
mama o kwan sebra ana wo bampo na se adwinboni bia news so we be kokoko be bo ago you exhibit certain acts which will indicate even the grounds on which you are even entering the premises for unlawful entry
okay
your presence there was unlawful you are not authorized to be there
tibet macho
yes
okay
and closely related with that is being on premises for unlawful purpose.
Okay.
Maybe a company be on a mining concession. Also, I trust my leg. Even the purpose for which you were on the concession is unlawful.
Okay.
Then comes in trespass. You've trespassed onto their concession.
Okay.
Even unlawful entry will come in.
I bet you.
Yes. aside all of these things, we have offensive conduct conducive to the breach of the peace. Oyi ye obi. Oni ebi mo bo atwede o kasa nkrofo ani rough ne ade obeti community dede bo obi mo dede ni nyina your offensive conduct ni bia.
Oh, okay.
What am I saying?
Udidi
obi atem ne ade dede you cause a lot of mayhem. Ni nyina ka ho bi.
Okay.
Emra wo ho papa. Emra wo ho. Ye di kan bi say bia oba court, obe dede wo court, obe say ade obe bo atwede eno so wo ho bi. Say police for about arrest still now is still lawful arrest. It's an offense. Escaping from lawful custody is also an emra wo ho pa.
Okay.
Court mpo esa man wo say bra court. Now one bampo it is an offense.
And also an offense. Court is a one,
you've disrespected the court.
Okay. I was a person bisakakra. Baby, I can say self-defense. Say bia obi men who nipa strange be. I won't be fear minimum. Enti nipa no so me hwe no so I say me suro. Enti say me fa bibi de bono. Say nipa yi wo a. My bone.
Usually, self-defense may come in to even reduce your whatever sentence. Because of the body pa na nipa nu and the first instance it is murder. But ebia na they won't say medical cancer. Sometimes it is unintentional.
But what the council can say nipa no unlawful entry. Waba me dem, oba me dem me hu say okura knife. And I me fast dey ade born.
Yes.
I don't know. You better charge me. You have the right to self-defense.
Yes, you have a right to say. It was unintentional.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Maybe I want to say, "Be might be 2 years so." With all due respect.
We am special.
What the change? What am I saying? It is for the courts to decide whether it will work in your favor or not. What do you call Kawasema? And maybe I wabuama. Nipa who say Nipa wadwen say abu bi na obono ana bibi. And also but in all the circumstances, it is for the court to weigh whatever you are saying.
Okay.
To see if based on whatever you are putting across, it will reduce the charge from, let's say, murder to even manslaughter. What am I saying?
Okay. So, me bo kitu bi ansana ya to aso. Ye ba be wi anesa. The right to self-defense. Minim say mra bi wo sa. So obi all right. So obi defend no. Now in the course of me defend me ho. E wo bi a me meti me fie a wabura mi dem a oba abekumi oba be attack me. Na nyame ayamadom na metumi overtake ne pakro no. Na in the act no am defend me no di pakro na wu a me ye be jele me.
That is why I said what it does is it operates in the sense that it reduces the substantive charge from, let's say, murder to manslaughter. Manslaughter, not just
punish myself.
And so it's up to you to prove your case properly. For the judge to even decide whether a sentence or even a charge will lie or not. Once madam the can't say attorney general.
Yeah, okay.
Into a hono and some way in a ebema on by advice say and instead of murder no. No manslaughter. That is the first instance. Now for assembly could high court. Now you try. Sometimes you can even be acquitted and discharged.
Okay.
At the end of the trial. Now I say sometimes you may.
Okay. There's a better assembly. Nipa ba say obi be kum into say wo ne person on we they are. Okay. So evidence in a better.
Evidence in a better. It's a make say the rule of the game is your evidence.
Okay. But that's about. And ebi ohobi ma. Listing various offenses no.
Cruelty to animals.
No chireme kakra. Cruelty to animals.
Ebi aboa no oda ni buo mu. Wosi wo ko wia no.
Okay.
Na wa so no kon. Wo twe wo chima na wo is cruelty to animals. What time criminal share bottom e dey na show. Hey, you being cruel to the animal. Okay. Hey, different from say ebi a wo kun akokwa kakra.
Okay.
Ariana wo kun punch.
And then you're cruel.
I know you're cruel.
That is who trying to very interesting. There's a way here abuana yaka.
Oh yeah, na yaka.
You bet me a charge also.
There are several offenses. Keeping a brothel. Say who there 2 for a dime be a one now who fear or their mouse a yambo 2 it's an offense.
Okay.
What am I say? Harboring a criminal obi a yahwehwe now there also wage na hye wo fie
enti say me wo me dan bi na me use no as hotel and guest house bi na me de boss abra na e bonne still.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Chene ye report na enhwehwe mu koso ni hu say
you can close down your facility. Yes, it's an offense.
Oh, okay.
Emrani dia wo ho bebre.
My final question. In Nzima, which types of crimes occur frequently? Nzima, yebaye Nzima memoir. Boni ben sana ete sipa ete pie court pa.
Stealing.
Chrono
dear. Nkankanka moto wia. Motorbike. Mr. Kamasa, hey. If I give you the statistics, you will be surprised. Motorbike.
One of the
cross jurisdictional crime. Omo bewia no mo akoton wo ebia Cote d'Ivoire ana bibi omo bewia e welembele. No mo akoton wo baby wo half a cini. Ana omo diwie fi ho no mo diaba. It is a serious crime that takes place in this area. Now for defrauding. Defrauding by false pretenses. And also cause so papa.
Okay.
Now for offensive conduct conducive to the breach of the peace. Kasa dede bone say nkrofo kun wo kromo and also a cause so pa. A cause so pa. Nipa pi nim say there's a charge like that. Only obi timufie akasa ayedede nipa abetwa ho ahia ne ade ni nyina aka ho bi.
Oh, okay.
Yes, offensive conduct conducive to the priest. Sorry, I will buy him for him penny for a roba or shank for a roba. Anything that breaches the peace of the community, assault, causing unlawful harm, causing unlawful damage.
We are near a war elembela. Oh, okay. That means you should defile cases.
Defilement.
Oh, okay.
Defilement. Rape in body entire defilement. Now, Mr. Kamasa, yabani defilement now. In Pempino, and my one at below Omundi 16 na. Omunyem nina. Sasa memano. Yeah, running some more. They are guilty of the offense of defilement.
Oh, okay. So 16 and below.
Yes, below 16.
You've
defiled the person. It's I know they are cost so papa, but nipa no baka so no I am empna.
No, or the one no, they
no crying to charge also who nipa ni age.
Okay.
Defilement is no strict something. You improve it and nipa ni to one nipa any age then they digina so. So far as the person was below the age of 16, that's it. I know there, Mr. Kamasa, it goes on a lot. In SMP goes through defilement.
Oh. My Lord, be the question be about I worship. Or say difference between a rape and defilement. Ebi also on tiase. Rape, defilement. You
defilement ne de nipa no ndi 16.
On this 16.
Ena wakofan.
And then defilement.
Rape ne anything above that limit.
From 16 and above.
And then also no without the person's consent.
And then rape no. When not da ewa bra.
Nipa na jantum. And no ye rape. Because the manager said below 16, how can they even consent to anything? What am I say? So I know the age no na consent no na yeshe. When it comes to rape.
Okay. Okay. Then you answer assumption a different.
Different.
It is to me isi sudua say they pay we repair maximum sentence
and above district court too.
And above district court.
District court.
District
court yendi. No. Defilement in poyendi wa. This say bia nipa na. This say bia nipa na we defiling nipa no or a minor. Ondi 18.
Okay.
And on ya do baba bejina.
Okay.
What am I saying? That is where the variation comes in. Aye. Pacho aye.
Atiefo adofo ahwefo. And then you may yesua de papa. Ampa. Yesua de Crime and the Law Part 1. Her worship a church and nyoma bebree mu e de akyerɛ say ye the case ko court why no ye suspect ni ehu keka nyoma bebree. Yesua de bebree. Enyumre de yaye nhyira. Na mo amantuma amfa mo questions ama no. Mo betumi asende e de aba. Na se ye hia biemu a ye bema woyiyi sa nsem nyina ano. Etiefo aha ene ye dimo ebesi. Na ansa na ye be soro kra no. I worship e pese me toma wo bi a asem ketu bi ka ana wo bi no mu a wo pese wo chia won wo ka bibi e de kire won a ekwan wo hosa
sakamasa meda wase empempi no eya assemble court wo beti se e bia nipa na ne ho aka edwa mu no ebusuafo edidi sometimes even judge natem edidi kwadubofo natem some even go to the extent say they attack these people. It is not right.
And famremu.
And also your bonnet. And once them no. And me pesa me candy trato. Me strain at for ne ashefo. In Pempi no aya nipa ni bin ti process ni procedure na se. Inti no nipa ne nam na nsem bia won pe bia na won kasa ya remandi nipa no ya say ya sentence nipa no ya remandi nipa no ya say ya punishing no a court them no ya the procedure na de ya de ya fi a ni ya ko b na ya to so a ko si say ye bewie ya sem de nti mesre say bibi na won ti ase a bisa
okay Untia bisa.
Untia semnasia bisa.
Ni enchechire mu nchiro.
Na yese wonti wo ignorance nim na adim na dia opa bia na wo keka. Oyesa na e ha dream p.
Okay.
Na mestre say Sebio, it is to protect and preserve our rights and what have you, our freedoms. That is why the courts are there. Until let's continuously put our trust in the court system to protect us. Until mekane say we no media seda kesia seda PSC sana nan say ye kano. Edema Emmanuel Bethel Prayer Ministry.
Okay.
Asori mpenifo ye Prophet Kujo. And Bishop ene asori mpenifo Mr. Kamasa wa ne wa wakaka ka ho nyina ene asori manyina say mpendudo a mebedom asokwe waje me ofeso na masama mesa kwenje se yemra mwefidie so Emmanuel Bethel Prayer Ministry TV yemfasa kwenye so ne yen ncheche medamu ase papa nyame nhyiramo afa so mede nchia kese so ema One I mean one di juma court ho I'm referring to my staff. And institutions near there no one bomb ye juma police for prosecutors for social welfare for senate for environmental for assembly for near there nyina yada obi bia ase afa so no mechia mebusua for so very reverend and Mrs. Daniel and Josephine French ene me nuanom a wo ben wo akwentum no medi nyame nchia ema mu nyina medase
yo yenso yedawase etifo ne ahwefo ene atofo nyina me amedi dwumadie ho chia me bedin de AK Kamasa ye nyina yesua de bebre next week ye be hia na yasan ya toa ye nkomodie so ye de part 2 of crime and the law at the bebre wo dwumadie nyina de botae ne se ye besua de na ye hu emra a ewo ye man yi mu na yetumi yedi emra so ama yamfom na emra no antwe aso yada mu nyina ase se motie yen asopam makramo bye bye.